80-acre lush-green campus housing Thapar University and Thapar Polytechnic. We have now 8 departments. Starting from 3 departments, we moved over to 8 streams. We have 6 schools, we have 6 centers and around 80 laboratories now. The vision of Thapar University. The moment we enter the portals of Thapar, we are greeted by the quote that says, Gyanan Annam. Gyan hi Ann hai. Knowledge is food. I would say knowledge is not only food, knowledge is food for thought, knowledge is food for inspiration, knowledge is food for innovation. We at Thapar strive to build that culture of innovation. That's a tradition which may have been passed over to you by your teachers. We have some of them sitting with us. Professor B.M. Nair is there, Professor Ashwini Kumar is there, Professor Sood is there. And we are deeply honored, sir, to have you with us on this great occasion. And I would say that this has also been inscribed in the culture that we have for Thapar as a vision. So Thapar has this vision of providing the innovation culture that we have. Thapar University, we know, has been accredited by all rating agencies, that is NAAC. It has been accredited A. It has been accredited by NBA. It has also signed the MOU now, as I said, with the Trinity College Dublin. And we are trying to introduce 2 courses from Dublin this semester, the coming semester 2015 onwards. These 2 courses will be run even for the humanities stream. One is technology and society. Another is a course on design, creativity and entrepreneurship. Next one. So going by the 8 departments that we have a department. Earlier we started with 3 departments. Now we have a department of biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and instrumentation engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering and distance education. The 6 schools that we have is the LM School of Management, which is currently housed in the Ravasi campus. We have the School of Humanities and Social Sciences. I belong to that school. I am professor in economics, teaching industrial management in that area. We have a School of Mathematics and Computer Applications. We have a School of Chemistry and Biochemistry, School of Physics and Material Science. And a new school has been added, that's the School of Environmental Sciences. We have 6 centers here. The Center of Core and Relevance, which is established by the DSC and Government of India. We have a Center for Information and Technology Management. The earlier computer center, we have all these clubbed into one complete center unit, that's a Center for Information and Technology Management. We have a Center for Industrial License and Placement. We have a Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park. Again, it's an initiative by the DSC, Government of India. We have a Nalanda Central Library and we have a Central Workshop. These are some of the pictures. This is a picture for the core building, and a lot of research activity is taking place in the biotechnology field in this core. Next. So this is the Science and Technology Entrepreneurs Park. Again, here the focus is on the biotech sector only. But now we have started the E-Cell under the student section, where we will focus upon developing BIs in other fields as well. We have a Nalanda library. Earlier the library was a sitting place, but now basically you can sit anywhere and have access to the e-library facilities that we have. So we have most of the journals and almost access to all science directory journals through the Nalanda e-library section. Next one. So again, now we have 8 engineering streams in undergraduate. So 8 undergraduate courses, 15 in the post-graduation, with a total strength of 5,500. So in the undergraduate it's 4,000, 1,000 in case of postgraduates, and for PhD we have 500 students. The undergraduation is in the streams of civil, chemical, computer science. We added two more streams in the computer science only. This was honors in machine learning and data analytics. And the next one is honors in computer animation and gaming. And this got a good response. We started it this year only and it has got a good response as well. The software engineering and management has been started by the Maths and School of Mathematics and Computer Engineering in collaboration with the School of Ellen Harper School of Management. We have electrical engineering, electronics, mechanical, and BTech in Biotech, which now is currently BTech in Biochemical Engineering. So moving over a little further, these are the space which have been added up. Next one. Going by the student activities, a lot of student-related activities are taking place. We have the departmental societies, we have the student chapters, and we have the university level societies. The university level societies are 23 in number. We have the departmental societies which are 6 and we have 10 student chapters as well. So students can pursue the activities that they want to pursue to any of the related activities that they want to be enrolled in. The cult for innovation, the innovation culture that we have is basically visible in the Team Fateh. It's an internationally applauded team in car racing and the journey is continuing till now. And we also had a team of a 5-member team from TU. It won the first position at the contest which was organized by DRDO, to mention just a few of them. Next one. We have two festivals, one known by the name of Saturnalia, which is a cultural festival, and second is known by the name of Aranya, that's a technical festival. In 2012, we took this initiative to start the Green Aranya. In that year, none of the brochures were printed and everything was done through the electronic media only. We have the societies being a part of Fine Arts and Photographic Society. So this is the initiative which has been taken by my society, painting the picture, painting the wall of the auditorium. So you can just relish the painting that has been done by the students of Fine Arts and Photographic Society. We can also have a glimpse of the recent construction that we have. So when I entered, some of them said that she was a warden. So when I joined the institute, it was a building which I would not say was a proper hostel, but we made it a hostel by living there and by sharing our memories in that particular place. The mess was such a mess where it was difficult to stand straight on the mess. We had to bend and then enter that mess. So it was a small place, but we shared a lot of memories together in that particular place. So that building now, that means the old hostel where there were just 27 girls living in that hostel, we have now 3 girls hostel. And one hostel is a 4-storage hostel. So then the other 2 are also 3-storage hostels. So that shows the strength of the girls who are pursuing engineering. So I think so that needs a clap from all of you with the females who are joining the team of engineering, which was earlier thought to be just a male-dominated area. So these are view of the girls' hostel. This is a tallest building that we have. It's a shopping arcade. Along with the shopping arcade, we have an open theatre where a lot of functions are being organized. Even the Saturnalia, the nights that we have, the star nights generally are organized in the open theatre that's associated at the back of this shopping arcade. We have a synthetic track and it's an attraction, the first one in Patiala, and a lot of people do come and they want to have a walk around the synthetic track. So there's again, and in between the space that's there following the track, it's being converted into a soccer ground. So these are again some of the hostels which were renovated, and another story was added, or some elevations were done. Facilities, next one. So I must end with a quote that's there by Rabindranath Tagore. So you can read it. So I think so that we try to live in the campus and we try to make this campus reach higher and higher growth. So the third pillar that I said was and is alumni, that I think should be the strongest pillar. And we have been associated, Professor Manik was associated with Alumni Association. I have taken over the charge only in 1st November 2014. So he started this chapter where we try to have not only get-togethers, we have been getting a lot of contributions from the alumnus in the form of the scholarships, but I want this to grow and grow a little broader than that. We want your help so that we can get our students placed as well, in training as well, and also so that you can be, some of you can be mentors to them, so that these new students who join the campus can be associated and they get the right direction by being in touch with you, so that you can show them the light. The campus that we have is a beautiful campus, and that relationship, I think so, it should grow bolder and bolder and stronger with time to come. So with that, I again welcome you all to this campus. Enjoy this stay and relish the memories, the old memories that you have. Moving over to the classrooms early in the morning at 8 o'clock, life in future as well. Thank you for this.
Thank you, ma'am. Secretary. Alumni Association has provided us a lot of support and guidance on making this event happen. So we thank you, thank both of you for helping us out in organizing this event. May I also now invite Ms. Singhal to come to stage and address the gathering, please.
Invited Dr. Nair, Director, LNP School of Management, Senior Professors, Dr. Ravi Kiran, Professor in Charge, Alumni Relations, and most important of all, the guests of the day, 1985-89 Silver Jubilee Batch Alumni. I welcome you all. First of all, today I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of celebrating 25 years as an engineer, a successful and respected individual. The Thapar University takes pride in the fact that you have been molded and shaped by this alma mater. The years spent at Thapar are often the most significant years of your lives. The reunion of batches have become great nostalgic events to look forward by alumni. The TU Association is our association exists to serve the Institute by providing alumni with a continuing link to the Institute and among themselves. The association also works to strengthen pride in the Institute by communicating the progress and accomplishments of the Institute and its graduates. I would like to thank our very smart and dynamic senior professor, Professor B.M. Nair. I'm filled with gratitude to announce that he has contributed over the years to few amounts of lakhs to the association. Thank you so much, sir. Also, I would like to make a request to all the alumni present today that our university needs lots of support. Our students need lots of support in internships and placements, those who are established, well established today. The main aim of association is looking for internships and placements for our students, also the jobs, which is our main motive, also the building of the alumni house. So far, the association has deposited with the university 30 lakhs INR in around 8 to 9 years. for construction of the Alumni House. We request the university to take the initiative as soon as possible for better working of the association and the university collectively to help the students as well as the present alumni pass outs. I once again welcome you all as my fellow alumni and wish you further success in the life. Thank you and enjoy the evening all. Recently my album, a song album has been released, and along with the gifts I got a few promotional video CDs and audio CDs which will be distributed by the Student Alumni Attraction Cell, Vaibhav. Kindly do the needful to the guests. Thank you so much.
We also have all right, just to let you know, reminder, Mr. Khurana is not serving tea to everyone. There are only specific people who are getting their attention. However, tea and coffee is running outside, so you may want to help yourself. Mr. Khurana, popular demand, 2 cups more, please. We also have among us some of our esteemed teachers who taught us during those glorious years that we spent in this college. Sir, we have Professor V.K. Sood, Professor B.M. Nair, and Professor Ashwini Kumar, who are present among us and who have honored us with their presence at this gathering. May we welcome you, sirs, to this gathering, and we appreciate all the hard work you did on us to make us the people that we are today. Thank you. Professor Ashwini Kumar, Professor B.M. Nair. Professor Sood.
Thank you, sir. Okay, beta, okay, done. Done, sir, done. बैठा बैठा
We also, as you can see that this event has been, the planning has been a lot, helped us a lot by technology, WhatsApp and YouTube and Facebook pages. So we missed in the program welcoming Dr. Professor Nair. Professor Nair, we also have a bouquet for you.
ना घूम जा फटाफट घूम जा करने टाइम लगा फोन बात ये रोटी बची है
Madam Ravikiran.
थैंक यू सर ठीक है बच्चा
I'm in a predicament that whether we should welcome Batish or not. But I guess we should for the Batish. And we also have solemnly Mr. Professor I also welcome Mr. Sharma, President, EUA.
पीछे आ जाए यार पीछे आना एक्सक्यूज मी
And Ms. Singhal, Ms. Sana Singhal.
Yeah, excuse me. Thank you.
We also have a small token of affection for our senior teachers who taught us in those years.
सर मैंने सोचा कि you like red color, हाँ सर मुझे क्या रेड या पिंक, what color do you prefer?
Where are you studying?
मेरी स्पेशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लगाई गई है परसों खुराने से शायद मेरी खुशी देखी नहीं जाएगी तो इसको भी काम पे लगाओ anyway so good to have class of 89 right here from where we have started our careers. I think at the end we have about 75 from the batch of about 180 and we travel from 4 continents. We are representing 4 different continents who is here. If Sani would have been there, it would be 5 continents. So, thank you everybody for making it here. Before we, what I'll do is I'd like to call each and every one of you one by one on the stage, and the organizing committee has arranged for mementos, and we'll give those mementos to you. But before we get started, I really would like to say, call the organizing committee on the stage, who have put in a lot of efforts. So Khurana, Meera, Niyati, Gagan, Lutra, these guys put in so much effort from all different angles, from the food to the rickshaws to the doors and everything. And of course they were helped extremely by the local coordinators Pathak and Batish. पिछले 3 महीनों से इनकी जिंदगी का बस एक ही मकसद था, सबको इकट्ठे करना। अब मेरे को ये नहीं पता ये कल से क्या करेंगे।